In this video, I'll show you how to create matching set of designs in Photopea using one asset and a few color variations that easily apply to multiple layouts. My name is Khalid and I make quick step-by-step Photopea tutorials. Let's get into it. I will show you a few designs that I've made. Open a new project. Now for most designs, it's better to go with something standard like 2000 by 2000. Of course, it depends on what you need the design for, so you choose whatever is good for you. And we'll use transparent background. Once you have the canvas set, let's import our image. We go to File, Open and Place. I got this butterfly from Creative Fabrica. I'll drop the link in the description. So let's resize it, make it bigger, and then let's change the background. For example, let's make it black. Make sure you have the background layer clicked when you add the color. Now let's change the color of this image. It's fine to use it as it is, but I'm showing you how you can elevate the designs. So double click on the layer, open the layer style menu, go to color overlay. Now you see the black removed it completely. So let's add the color that I want. For example, this pink color. Now you see the color made it look like this. But here is the trick. You can change the blend mode to make it look better. You see, this is how it is with multiply, lighten, and my favorite, hard mix. So you can use it with different colors. For example, let me show you what happens when you add in a brown color with this blend effect. Here it is. It gives it an even better effect on the wings. Or if you add a blue color, you get something else differently. Here it is. You get a pink with spots on it. So try different colors, try different blend modes to get what you want. Now for example, let's say I'm using this design right here. So this design on its own can work on different things. So let's add some text to it. Click text tool and type in your text. You give me butterflies, some kind of color, and just make your text bigger. Move it so it is text well. Let me suggest again. And here is the text. You can choose whatever text, you can choose whatever font you want for the text. One thing also I need to show you is that you can add effects to the butterfly image. So for example, let's add outer glow to it. We can just change the color. We will use the same pink that we used on the butterfly itself, and then just change the size, make it slightly bigger, and then you can change the opacity as you like. Also, if you add a drop shadow to it, it will make it even better. You can increase the size of it so that it adds some depth to the picture. As you can see, from one design, you can have different variations from it. Try variations with the text, without the text, with different text, with different colors, with different effects, with background, without background. By the way, if you want to take your Photopea skills further, I put together a free guide. It's packed with tips, shortcuts, and highly recommended sites, and most of them are completely free. I also included direct links to every site in the guide so you can check them out easily. Just click the link in the description to grab the free guide. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.